Hey guys! Welcome to tutorial time. And today we're presenting a tutorial on how to create your own setup file from WinRAR. First we gotta know what a setup is. A setup file is actually a mixture of bunch of files which are meant to be extracted in a specific route. So how is WinRAR going to help us to create a setup file? WinRAR 64-bit also includes default 64.sfx and zip 64.sfx, which are 64-bit versions of these SFX modules. By default WinRAR x64 uses 32-bit versions, but you can select 64-bit modules explicitly in SFX option module dialog.
So let's begin.
Here we gonna make a setup file of a popular game called Subway Surfer. First we gotta collect its main program folder. Next we gonna make it archive file of the main program so it can be extracted after the setup is run. After then we gonna tick right the checkbox of SFX option. Right then we gonna choose the path to be the game files extracted. The default folder of game is under Program Files in C drive. Talking about the license of the setup, it's totally over you. If you want you can give it an official look. In this case I'm going to name tutorial time as license window and LOLUR full as the license. Cause I really hate license and you can also skip license window if you want. SFX window. SFX window is an important phase for setup file which will totally decide how will your setup look like. It has different options. Number 1 your SFX window is gonna display what will be your setup window name. Number 2 text to be shown in your window will help you display the name or the initial of setup which been installed. Rest options will make your setup cachy as they do not work on Windows 10.
Hooray! 50% of job done successfully.
Next part arrives of setting a password to your setup to make it authorized. In this case, our password gonna be 1 to 9. Password are many time useful, mainly it's a when you are creating a high-tech program. Here it is. Now it's only time to compress the setup into .exe format. Ta-da! Finally our setup file has been created. Ouch, we were waiting so long for it. Let's have a look over it. License name alright, SFX window alright, and lastly the password, yup, it's alright too. Everything perfect.
Everything is fine.
Setup run successfully and the files have been extracted in program files. Okay, now let's check is game available in program files.
Yeah, the game is running. Finally I love it. See you next time on tutorial time. Bye bye.
Do not forget to subscribe our channel, alright?